is stock ticker symbol BIIB. This one again, uh, a, a lot of attention over here on Investors Hangout. So, looks like Joe. There's a big gap up going from yesterday to today.
Yeah.
Quite a big gap up actually. So, um, right now it looks like from a brief look. This is early in the trading day, guys. So a brief look at it, it seems like it's having a hard time at the 20-day simple moving average. But one thing that I see right away as soon as I pull up this chart is this lower end right here on 12.7 got outside that lower Bollinger Band, and obviously whatever happened. I mean, I don't know if it just bounced off there. Is there company information going on? But right here, you see it literally hitting on it, and then it bounces up. You got that confirmation, and bam, it just took off today. So even if you had that confirmation, even yesterday, I mean, if you were following the chart yesterday, even at 286, 287, granted, we go anywhere from 000 stocks all the way up to a couple $100 stocks, but that's the way to do it. We want to keep our horizon as wide as possible. So over here, even if you were seeing this, I mean, if you were trading yesterday, looking at this at 286, you know that it's coming back up off there if you traded now charts and stuff. So the simple day moving average is tightening up right now. I mean, everything, obviously something must have happened with the company, right, Joe?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Well, I'm not really sure what, because basically they presented at, there's a few different news things from it. But I mean, there was an article on Seek and Alpha that could have possibly did it. It was basically says Biogen perks up on leaked trial data on Alzheimer's candidate.
Mm.
I do not. It's a weird word. Candidate aducanumab. It's spelled ADUCANUMAB. So it's like a lot of times these guys will come up with different words for, like, different products, and like that. That's the kind of word that's like, talk about that other tick you're talking about, chit.
Mm-hmm.
This one's more of a tongue twister where you can't even say it. All right, so that was that right there, and then there was a press release this morning where Biogen and AbbVie received Health Canada approval of once monthly Zenbrita for
Okay.
multiple sclerosis. So approval supported by largest and longest head-to-head global phase 3 study conducted in multiple sclerosis. So they had that approved, like one of their products. I mean, that obviously helps when you basically, for a stock to go up, you get a product approved. Obviously, it's going to bring some nice added revenue to a company.
Right. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
but like you said, I mean, another thing you got to pay attention to and think about is, you know, obviously there was an article about it, speculation article, right? Or was there something really good?
Yeah, yeah. Like yesterday with a speculation article, or whatever. I didn't read it, so I don't know. But that's in regards to like Alzheimer's, which is obviously like a large concern for a lot of people within the world. And then this one right here with multiple sclerosis, which is, that's another problem right there. So I'm not sure what their product does for multiple sclerosis, but I mean, I know somebody that has it, and they've been very fortunate where once they started on a medication, they haven't really had any, long-term side effects from it. But at the same time, they have to take a shot every day. So I mean, that's a pain in the ass for anybody.
Right. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
unfortunate too, you know.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, like I said, right now, it's, I mean, it's pretty early in the day, but it's having a hard time with that 20-day simple moving average. I truly do. I mean, if you trade uh, technicals, you see what happens over here. That became a big support over literally a month ago. But once it got through that resistance on the 30-day simple moving average, boom, it just popped up. So I think that if right here, if you break that 20-day simple, or yeah, 20-day simple moving average, I think you're going to go up. So basically, between the 20-day and the 30-day simple moving average right now, I think that's going to dictate which way it's going to go, in my opinion. Because right now, you break that 20-day, it can go up. You fall through that 30-day, it can start correcting itself. But all right, so that is stock ticker symbol BIIB.